Well, we're just gonna drop this down and see what fish will take it. There's stuff biting it already. There we go. Welcome back everybody to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Before I begin this video, I want to ask that you guys just drop a like on this video. It would really mean the world to me if you show your support, and it'll help me reach new audiences and help the channel grow, so it would be much appreciated. And I thank you in advance for liking the video. I'm super excited about this video today because we are here at this tiny farm creek. It has a little mini spillway, it looks like, on it. So that is gonna be awesome to try. We're gonna toss on a little basic rig with just a micro fishing hook and a sinker, and we're gonna toss a worm on that and see how the fish like it. So let's see what we can do here. I've never tried this spot before, but I'm very excited to try it. We'll see how we can do. Let's get out there and fish. Here we are at the top of the bridge. I can actually see a lot of fish movement down here, some swirls. I can see a couple little minnows and stuff here and there. This looks really cool. Lots of rocks over there, which could form some nice structure for the fish to be at. Let's toss out a worm. I'm gonna rig it up here. So here we go. The night crawler is a little big for this. It almost looks like a little grub or something now though. We're just gonna drop this down and see what fish will take it. There's stuff biting it already. There we go. First fish on the first cast, and a nice little sunfish. Looks like a little green sunfish. Very nice little guy. He is tiny, but he absolutely swallowed that hook. Let's see if we can get it out. There we go. We'll release him. Looks like there will be a lot of action today based on the first cast. There's a fish. Man, right away. This guy's even smaller than the first one, but look at those colors on that fish. Very nice. There he goes, second little fish of the day. And toss him right back. There's a bite. Oh, missed him. This worm is looking mutilated already. Guess we're gonna have to switch a few times here today. There it is, instant action. Come on. There we go. What is this? Oh, a bullhead. And this, my friends, is a new species for me. I have never before caught a bullhead in my life. That is awesome. Oh my gosh. And there we have him. My first ever bullhead. I did not realize he had nice little snappers on him. All right, we're gonna let this little guy go. It's an awesome surprise. We rigged up another little piece of worm because Mr. Bullhead took our last piece, or most of it. Let's drop it down and see what else we can get. Oh. That is instant action. Literally the second I drop that down, there's a little fish. And this is the smallest one of the day. This guy is so small that the hook doesn't even fit in his mouth, and this is like the smallest hook I own. All right, little guy. Let's let him go. I don't even have to cast. I literally just do a light little toss, let it sink to the bottom, And in just a sec, it'll be getting hits. There it goes. Oh, fish took off with it and was moving. Fortunately, he didn't commit. Oh, there it goes. He got all the worm. All right, got another piece rigged up. Let's see what'll take it this time. Instant action, there we go. There we go, that's a nice one. What is this? It's a big sunfish. Wow. And this guy can actually lip. Look at this little guy. By far the biggest green sunfish of the day. It's an awesome catch. What a beautiful little fish. This guy officially swallowed it so deep, but I managed to get it out without making him bleed. So let's get him back in the water and he can swim another day. There we go. Another little guy. Another one that the hook barely fits in his mouth. This is one of my smallest ever green sunfish, but look at the colors on him. Beautiful little guy. Toss this little guy back. It's definitely a sunfish and not a bullhead. That at least had it right there. Oh. Yep. That's a bigger size one too. Bigger size for this creek. It's a nice one. There's a nice one. Maybe the biggest one of the day. This guy's a fatty. Wow. Very nice green sunfish. Look at him. Now, when they have the bigger mouths, it's quite an easy removal from these guys. The small guys, it's a little challenging. Let's toss him right back. Now, there are a lot of people who love fishing the pools above spillways, but there are even more people who like fishing the pools below the spillways. So we're gonna try the other side of the bridge underneath there where the spillway is and see what we can do down there. There's no way this can't be good. I'm gonna toss down this fresh piece of worm. We'll see what bites. Something taking it right in front of me. Ah. So under the spillway, we've got new species. Here is a nice striped creek chub. Interesting that fish are different over here than they are on the other side. There's one. Another creek chub. This is a nice sized one, so I guess this must be the spillway beast that is getting all the bait before the others. And these creek chub keep stealing the worms. Get him back in the water. There's one. Oh! Now what is this one? I can't tell. This one might be an actual bluegill. It definitely has the coolest colors on it out of any of the fish we've caught tonight. Very nice little guy. And he stole the entire worm. Now that almost felt like a fish was trying to hit the sinker. These fish must be hungry. I just saw something roll over. Could not tell if that was grime or if that was a little bullhead. There's a good fighter. Another green sunfish. Nicest size one I've caught under this spillway today. There we have it. Nice little green sunfish from under the spillway. Toss him back. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. I had a blast. I hope you did enjoy it. Make sure to drop a like down below. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed it. I'll be back out for more fishing videos soon, more adventures, and I can't wait to share them with you. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.